Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to add a local printer in Windows 11. Start by going to your home screen and clicking on the Start menu in the bottom left corner. From the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Bluetooth and Devices option in the left-hand menu and click on it. Under the Bluetooth and Devices section, locate and click on Printers and Scanners. In the Printers and Scanners window, you will see an option to add a printer or scanner at the top. Click on it. Windows will now start searching for available printers. If your printer appears in the list, you can select it and follow the prompts to complete the installation. If your printer is not listed, look for the link that says, "The printer that I want isn't listed." Click on this link to open the Add Printer wizard. In this wizard, select the option Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, then click Next. You will now need to select the printer port. Most local printers use the default port, which is LPT1, printer port. Leave it as is and click Next. In the next step, you will choose the printer driver. On the left side, select the manufacturer of your printer, and on the right side, select the specific model. If your printer is not listed, you can click on Windows Update to see if additional drivers are available. Alternatively, click on Have Disk to browse for the driver file on your computer. Once you have selected the driver, click Next. You will now be prompted to name your printer. You can keep the default name or give it a custom name for easier identification. After naming the printer, click Next. Windows will now install the printer. Once the installation is complete, you will be asked if you want to set this printer as your default printer. Check the box if you want to use this printer for all your printing tasks by default and then click Finish. After completing these steps, your printer should now be added and ready to use. To confirm, return to the Printers and Scanners window and you should see your printer listed. You can also print a test page to ensure everything is working correctly. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.